Good morning everyone. So we're going to continue thinking about tenths today, and we have a question here which I'm going to help you answer. So today on your worksheets you will find a really similar question to this. Just have a go and see if you can complete it. So first of all, the question says, James has 40 cherries. On Monday he eats 2/10 of his cherries and gives 2 to his mum. On Tuesday he eats 1/10 of his cherries and gives 7 to his dad. How many cherries does he have left? So what do we think is the first step to completing this question? So first of all, we need to work out what 2/10 of his cherries is. And we can do that by working out what 1/10 is. So to work out 1/10, we need to do the amount of cherries divided by 10. So 40 divided by 10 equals, well, we know that equals 4. So that means that 1/10 of his cherries equals 4. And if we know that 1/10 of his cherries equals 4, that means that 2/10 of his cherries equals 8. So now we know that on Monday, James ate 8 cherries. So he ate 8 cherries and he gave 2 to his mum. So we need to do 8 add 2 equals, well, we know that that equals 10. So now we know that on Monday, in total, James either ate or gave away 10 cherries. So now we need to subtract the amount of cherries he either ate or gave away on Monday from the total number of cherries. So we would do 40 take away 10 equals, well, we know that that equals 30. So now we know that on Tuesday, James started with 30 cherries. And the question says, on Tuesday, he eats 1/10 of his cherries and gives 7 to his dad. So we need to work out what 1/10 of 30 is. So that means we need to divide 30 by 10. Well, we know the answer to that because we know our 3 times tables. So we know that 30 divided by 10 is 3. So that means that 3 equals 1/10 of 30. And the question says that he gives 7 to his dad. So that means that he eats 3 and gives 7 to his dad. So we need to add those two numbers together. So 3 adds 7. Well, we know that that equals 10. So now we know that on Tuesday, James either ate or gave away 10 cherries. So that means we need to subtract 10 from the number of cherries he started with on Tuesday. So he started with 30 cherries and he ate or gave away 10. So we subtract 10 and we know that that equals 20. So now we know that by the end of Monday and Tuesday, James was left with 20 cherries. So if you have a look at your work for today, you will find a really similar question to this. Have a go and see if you can complete it. If you need to, just watch this video again, but I'm sure you will be able to complete it.